Valerie's Virtual Time!
Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to do a webpage about my, well, not completely my Vegas trip where the M&M store is in Vegas, because when I was gone, well, I didn't record that video that time. So, anyways, I'm doing this M&M visit. So, you know, on my paper, I know you guys can't see it, but I actually typed "and" because I couldn't type this fancy curly sign. I'll show you on the screen. See that fancy dancy sign? I couldn't even write that. So I just put an "and" to replace that, so I won't have to have too much trouble. But anyways, you got every time. I like to show you the CSS because look, it's the m&m.c.css is empty. Yep, it sure is empty. Say that really quick. Okay, let's type my M&M's visit. Alright. And then now we're gonna type, did you see something? Well, this is not linked to the M&M CSS, so this is gonna be a really quick click. Just type this. There you go. And then here's the title. Here's the thing that's gonna show up on top. So you might be thinking that, you don't need the H1. You don't need the H1. No, I do need the H1. You know why? Well, because this title does not show up on the screen. If people look at code, this title will not show up on the screen, only this. So I have to link it to the title so I could, anyways. So you guys can see it on screen because this is going to be a link to the title because I couldn't show this on the screen. So this is just going to show in code, not on screen. This is just the title of the code. So let's type, you know what? It's exactly the same. So let's just do that. Why not? Alright, next we're gonna do is, so let's enter and do, alright, here comes a long P tag. So everything's gonna be inside here. So you might think I have to do P. No. I figured out a thing. If I do a whole paragraph, like a big paragraph, which I'm actually gonna do because it took me 2 pages to write that whole thing down. Well, like a tiny sliver of the second page. Tiny sliver. But seriously, I had to write small on the first page because I had a lot to tell about. A lot. Up to 10 sentences. So let's type. It says, I went to, and went to the, this is what I did on the paper. I'm not going to do it in real life, but, do you see something? I didn't. Store. I can delete some stuff. I went to the M&M store. All right. Went to the M&M store. And got a few things from there. From there. Some socks, a bag. Oh! A bag full of M&M and a dispenser. Okay, so the dispenser is for M&Ms, not for gumballs, because obviously that's the M&M store, not the gumball store. All right, and a dispenser. I also saw some stuff like cups, shirts, oh, how about other dispensers? Other dispenser. Okay, so I'm gonna type the weirdest dispenser. So the weirdest dispenser to me, not to my mom. He thinks it's cool. Is the dragon costume from Chinese All right, so alright, so next, instead of the telling more about the weird dragon costume, I want to forget about that thing. Is my most favorite part about the M&Ms. Alright, so here's my most favorite part when I was young and until now. But now this coronavirus, I'm trying to be safe so I do not touch it. It's a game. So I'm going to tell all about it to you on the screen since it's more boring with me talking. So let's type it down. It says my most favorite part about M and M M&M's is the game that they put at. Oh, that's too long. How about let's cut it? Cut it one more time. At the end of the game, you get a photo. I think that's how I remember it. So for real, I think you get a photo. Oh man, I have to cut it a second time. Man, have to cut it so many times, you know. Scroll down a little bit. You get a photo. The 4th floor was the cool one. Oh man, I have to cut again. It's cool. It's cool because there is a place cool, that doesn't help at all. I'm cutting each sentence so I can see which sentence is which, so that's easier. Alright, so it says place you can take a pictures with the M&M. Oh, I have to cut one more time. I have to cut a lot. With the M&M stat choose there. In order to go to higher cut higher floors, we need to take the escalator centers. Alright, let's cut again. The only way to go out is the bottom floor. Alright, I'm on the next page. I know this is a big chunk of paragraph. I mean, like, okay. So after I done the last 2 sentences, I'll let you guys pause, and I'll wait here and go back to the beginning. Try to remember what number you were on, because yeah, it's a really long video, I think. Well, anyways, I'll talk about it with you later. Okay, it says there were so much M&M's at the place where you can get your own bag full of, oh, that's a little too, let's cut it, full of M&M's. Now here's last sentence. Here's a closing sentence, which I try to make it as entertaining as possible. So here we go. Thanks so much for seeing the world. Okay, we have to cut again. The world of M&M's with me. Alright, so, okay, we have a long line of code, so let's quickly save. And let's go to our Google Chrome, and okay, so after we do this, Ayo. Hey. Alright, cool. Well, let's full screen this. Before I say goodbye, I just want you to go back to the beginning. Make sure, come back here, I'll wait. And go back to the beginning before we had this whole chunk of code. Yeah, I know, it's a lot of code. Can't you believe can't you believe wrapping all of these sentences is one p tag? Well, it's gonna take a longer time, so I'd use one p tag. So, anyways, I'll let you go. Pause and go back to the beginning and pause there too. So it won't move. Okay? And then compare the code to now and before. Alright? I'm waiting. Alright, welcome back, everyone. Did you see a big difference in that? Well, yeah. Obviously, you should have seen a big difference because I couldn't fit this whole code in one screen. Alright, so that's why I couldn't fit the whole code in one screen. If you ask me to, I cannot. I'm so sorry. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and make sure to stay tuned for the next HTML part. No, we are not doing the CSS next video because I forgot the images. So we're going to do that tomorrow. Hope you like and subscribe, and goodbye, everyone.